In this video, I will show you how to connect Venmo to QuickBooks. So to connect your Venmo to QuickBooks, you can do this by manually or using a third-party app. So here is how you can use by this both methods. So first method is just using the manual entry. So it is recommended for the fewer transfers, but if you want to do the loads of transfer, you can use the next method. So first you have to download the Venmo transactions. So you can go to the Venmo app or website, then go to the setting and then purchase history, and then there will be an option of export CVS to download a CVSV file of your transactions. After this you can open up QuickBook online, then go to the banking or the transaction tab. After this click on upload transaction and then select the Venmo CSV file. Then you can map the columns, date, amount or the other columns so to match the QuickBooks fields. You can also categorize the transaction, review the each transaction in banking tab and then categorize them appropriately. Now the second method is using a third party app. So this automates the process. So you can, the first thing you have to do is just connect via PayPal. So if your Venmo account is linked to your PayPal, you can connect your PayPal to the QuickBooks. So you can go to the banking, then link account and search for PayPal and then connect it. You can also use third-party apps like Zyper, Sync with PayPal or Plaid that can automate Venmo to the QuickBooks syncing. So install the app from QuickBooks App Store or the Zapier and then follow the prompts to link Venmo and the QuickBooks. So that is how you can connect Venmo to the QuickBooks. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.